Next, let's look at lease management, which is one of the most important parts of the system. You'll find the Lease tab on the right-hand side of the Property Management panel. A lease represents the legal agreement between the landlord and the tenant. It defines how the property is used, how much rent is paid, and under what conditions. Over the lifetime of a property, there may be multiple leases, one after another. By default, the system displays the current active lease for the selected property. At the top of the lease section, you can switch between the current lease, view previous or historical leases. This is useful for reviewing past tenant details, checking historical rent and payment records, auditing property history, handling disputes or property handovers. When you select a past lease, the system shows all information exactly as it was at the time, including tenants, rent, and payments. I'll now switch back to the current lease. To create a new lease, click the Add Lease button. This opens the lease form, which is also fully customizable through system settings. The first thing you'll enter is the rent amount. For example, I'll enter $600. Next, select the rent frequency. This can be weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. The system uses this information to automatically generate rent schedules, track expected versus actual payments, calculate overdue balances. You can also enter a security deposit amount. For example, I'll enter $700. Deposits are tracked separately from rent and remain fully auditable. Next, enter the lease start date and lease end date. For example, lease starts on the 17th of December. Lease ends on the 17th of December the following year. This creates a one-year lease. You can set the lease status to pending, active, terminated, expired. This allows you to record historical leases accurately and control when rent expectations begin. If you manage properties on behalf of landlords, you can configure commission rules. The system supports fixed commission amounts, percentage-based commissions. Every time rent is paid, the system automatically calculates agency commission, landlord share. You can also configure a landlord override, ensuring the landlord always receives a fixed amount regardless of commission settings. If you manage only your own properties, you may not need this feature. The lease details now appear on the right-hand side. At the bottom of the lease form, you assign tenants to the lease. You can select existing tenants from the system or add a new tenant directly. When adding a tenant, you enter name, mobile number, email address. The email address is important because it allows the tenant to log into the tenant portal using a secure passcode. Once everything is entered, click Save. The system fully supports multiple tenants on a single lease. This is common for shared apartments, student accommodation, commercial units, residential properties where more than one person must be named on the lease. To add another tenant to a lease, click Add Tenant. Select an existing tenant from the list, or create a new tenant. You can repeat this process to add as many tenants as required. Each tenant is linked individually to the lease, which allows individual communication, individual access to the tenant portal, accurate record keeping. Once tenants are linked to a lease, you can communicate with them directly from the system. You can send emails using predefined email templates. Send SMS messages if SMS is enabled. Each tenant can be contacted individually, and all communications are logged against the property for auditing and reference. Tenants can also receive system-generated emails such as lease notifications, payment confirmations, maintenance updates. There are two ways to manage lease agreements in the system. First option, upload a lease document. You can upload a signed lease agreement manually. To do this, click the Upload option. Select the lease document. Upload it to the system. The document will be stored securely and linked to the lease. This approach is useful if you already use external lease documents or paper-based signing. Second option, create a digital lease agreements. The system also supports digital lease agreements. These are created using built-in lease agreement templates. At the top of the lease agreement section, you'll see a list of available templates, for example, residential or commercial lease templates. Each template contains placeholders, which are automatically filled using information from the property, the lease, the landlord, the tenants. To generate a digital lease agreement, click Search Templates. Select a suitable lease template. Once selected, the system automatically fills in all relevant details. You can review the agreement, make adjustments if needed, and then save it. The system will display lease start date, lease end date, lease status, all parties required to sign. This includes the landlord and all tenants linked to the lease. Once a digital lease agreement has been generated and saved, you can proceed to sign the lease. To do this, click the Sign button on the lease agreement. This opens the signing view where you can see the full lease agreement, the list of all parties required to sign, the current signing status for each party. At the bottom of the page, you'll see all required signatories such as the landlord, Tenant 1, Tenant 2. When a lease is signed digitally, the system records who signed the lease, the date and time of signing, the IP address, the device used, the signing location. This provides a clear audit trail and legal traceability. Tenants can also sign the lease directly from the tenant portal. When a tenant logs in, they can view their lease agreement, review all lease details, sign the lease digitally. Each tenant signs individually, and the signature is placed in the appropriate section of the agreement. If you prefer manual signing, you can print the lease agreement. The printed version includes blank signature sections. This allows the lease to be signed physically and uploaded back into the system if required. Once any party signs the lease automatically becomes read-only. This prevents changes after signing and ensures data integrity. If changes are required after signing, the lease must be terminated or expired. A new lease must then be created. This guarantees that signed agreements remain legally consistent. Once all required parties have signed the lease status becomes active. Rent expectations automatically begin. From this point, the lease drives rent schedules, income tracking, tenant permissions, property workflow status. When a lease approaches its end date, it can be terminated in several ways: by the property manager, by the landlord, by the tenant via the tenant portal. Once a lease is terminated, future rent expectations stop. The property moves into the notice workflow. The system prepares for final inspections and billing. This ensures a clean and controlled end-of-tenancy process. Correct lease setup is critical because it drives rent calculations, overdue balances, maintenance responsibility, tenant portal access, property status transitions. Once the lease is set up correctly, much of the system automates itself. Create and manage rent rolls effortlessly. Track payments and outstanding balances in real time. Manage check-in and check-out inventory with ease. Asset management with preventive maintenance and contractor portal. Custom tenant portal for communication and payments. Works offline, online, and across all devices. Sign up today and take control of your property business.